So here are these battery straps. Let's see them. They look like this. They are rubberized. So currently on this quad I have these. I broke mine. So this is very short and it doesn't have this hook either. This is short. That's only 18 centimeters long. The other one is 21 centimeter long. Okay, and this one is 25. It's measured from this edge, from there to 25. 250. Let's compare them. So the velcro is on the entire length, so that's the fluffy part and that's the hook part. Okay, this one is a kind of textile material. It's slippery. This one is slightly rubberized, but it's not sticky at all. It's also kind of slippery. Okay, and using this one, which was the shortest one, at the length of 18 centimeters. It's quite small for these batteries. So that's the largest, 1500 milliamp, 1300 milliamp, and as you can see the right one is a bit larger, and this one is a 3-cell battery. That's even smaller. Okay, and the small one is not enough, plus it does not have that metal hook thing. That's it, 1.5 millimeters of overlapping only. Okay, so that's very small. That's a little bit better, but this one is breaking, especially at this part. It's more transparent there, as you can see. This one is not transparent. We should place it this way, so I should insert it with the hook and the fluffy sides down. Okay, insert it there, and it's maybe even large, but that's fine. So we have this plus that, around 4 centimeters of overlapping, plus around 5, so around 9 centimeters of overlapping. Now that's very good. So it's holding the battery quite well. And this rubberized part is exactly under, so it's in touch with the battery, so it should stop it from sliding easily. Of course you need some rubber here. Currently I have velcro. Velcro is good for this one, but in case of an impact even this one is breaking off. So 25 centimeters in length is a pretty good value, even for a 1500 milliamp battery with 4 cells. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see how well do they hold. This one is metal, it's not breaking. Even these are not breaking at the plastic side, but they are breaking here. Of course, your quadcopter, you have to round these edges a little bit because they might cut, especially down, because they are holding it from that part. And that's it. Rubberized battery strap for lithium polymer batteries for your quadcopters.